Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable flags in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the address bar at the top of your screen where you normally type website URLs. This is where you'll be entering a special Chrome command to access the flags menu. In the address bar, type chrome://flags and press enter. This is a hidden Chrome page that most users never see, but it gives you access to experimental features and advanced settings that aren't available in the regular Chrome settings menu. Once the page loads, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the experimental flags that Chrome offers. Now you'll be able to see all the available flags displayed on this page. These flags control various experimental features and functionalities within Chrome, and you can customize them according to your preferences. If you have a specific flag in mind that you want to disable, you can use the search bar located at the top of the page. Simply type the name of the flag you're looking for, and it will filter the results to help you find it quickly. Once you've located the flag you want to disable, look to the right side of that flag's name. You'll notice a drop-down menu beside it, which shows the current status of that flag. This menu typically displays options like default, enabled, or disabled. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal all the available options for that particular flag. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Disabled. This action tells Chrome that you want to turn off this experimental feature. However, the change won't take effect immediately since Chrome needs to restart to apply the modification you've just made. After you click Disabled, you'll notice a blue button labeled Relaunch will appear at the bottom right corner of your screen. This button is Chrome's way of prompting you to restart the browser so your changes can be properly implemented. Click on the Relaunch button to restart Google Chrome. Don't worry, Chrome will automatically restore all your open tabs once it restarts, so you won't lose your browsing session. And that's it. You've successfully disabled a flag in Chrome, giving you more control over your browser's experimental features. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.